In today's video, I am going to tell you a new way to earn online. If you want to earn money by creating a YouTube channel, you can do it without showing your face and without speaking. Search on Google TTS-MP3.ca. TTS stands for text-to-speech. Write text in this box. I have already written and copied. I will paste it here. And select language. Choose speaker or accent according to language. Select style of accent from here. Audio format you can change here. By navigating this blue bar, sound speed and sound pitch can be changed. After that, click on play button.
Today, I am going to tell you about a website where by uploading videos you can earn $1,000. It is little bit like YouTube. As much as views your video will get, as much money you will earn.
You can use whichever accent which you can understand very well. Now download this speech by clicking on this download button. The file has been downloaded. Check it from here. And again play it. There are thousands of websites on Google to convert text to speech. These are some of the websites I have worked on. It is very simple. Their price plans are very cheap. After the trial period is over, you have to choose the price plan. Now we need video editor software. For this I will use Filmora. First I will add the audio file. For this, click on Import Media. And select the desired file. Now according to this audio file, we will add images or videos. Now I show by adding photos. I will add the images in the order that they exactly match the audio. Shorten or crop the pictures exactly in order to maintain sequence. After completion I play this video. So you see, without showing your face and without speaking you can earn money by creating YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.